Welcome back to another video, guys. So, I screwed up when I recorded my first episode of this, but right now I'm playing Forge of Empires, and I just started playing today. This isn't the first time I've played before, but, so, I'm just gonna get right into it. I left off with sorting out all of these and adding new stuff, so that's where I am right now. But you guys didn't see me do any of that. Okay, so I'll show you around. So this is where the army management is. This is where you build. This is where you build stuff. You can research new technologies, which get you through life. So you have your Iron Age. I'm in the Bronze Age right now, so Iron Age, early Middle Ages, late Middle Ages, and then Modern Era, Industrial, Colonial. Keep going. You get tomorrow, and then the future, and then Bolshevik future, virtual future, space age Mars, space age asteroid belt, space age Venus. So yeah, I've never made it there. I think the furthest I made it, first time I played it was like, I think I made it to the Middle Ages. I think this, or maybe just high Middle Ages. I don't really know. But yeah, so that's that. This is the map. This is where I can go and fight other countries, I think. So I already won this far. Back to overview. It's gonna take me 7 minutes to get over there. Okay. And then these are resources which add up here and they help me build stuff, of course. Oracle bones. Oracle. Wow. Okay. So here is our highly aggressive large buck deers, and then we got these small deers, extremely large rabid rabbits. Okay. And every so often you get this pterodactyl that flies around. Yes. Okay. These are all houses. Stilt houses, what they're called. This is a longhouse, because apparently we're singing Iroquois. Iroquois. The Americans, whatever they are called, I forgot. Research construction. That's where I would go here, and then I would see construction, and then I would use my points, but I don't have any right now. So that is for tomorrow, probably. It takes like 10 hours to get all 10 back. You get 1 point every hour, and I have 45 minutes left. But yeah, so this is where I left off, and now I'm just kind of going around. This game gets kind of boring when you don't really have anything going on. You build stuff. These are all things that make them happy. Because my guys are working at 120% right now. So, yeah. It's pretty sweet. What else? Go build a house. Just a long house, but that makes. I want to use my diamonds. Let's use diamonds. This is a hunter. I don't need another one right now. This is something. Heater. And I have to pay for diamonds. Okay. Let's just go to this map. Hurry up. You're so slow. So yeah, that's what I have. Okay. I can do... No, I shall not. I shall not. I only have 100 people living in my place. Oh wait, what? Wait, I'm only allowing... Wait, hold on. How many people do you let live in this house? Right, 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm allowing 220 people. Well, with the still house, I'm gonna get 77. But why do only 100 people live with me? Oh, because they can't find jobs. I don't have enough jobs for them. Let's see. Wait, so it says cost 40 people? Does that mean like the people have to, all the people have to work there and they live there and they get taken out of the house or something? I don't really know. Maybe I need more jobs. Tessa, down. Oh, sorry. It's just my dog. Okay. Sorry, I didn't mean to yell. Just my dog. Just my dog. Just my dog. Alrighty, what's next? Are we there yet? Oh my gosh, it's like New Year's. Ooh, I got some fancy glasses. Yeah. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Happy new country. Yay. Alright. I'm on. 75. Go with the easy one first. Attack. Here we go to the front lines. Here we go. Go. Ow! Dude, that was mean. Kill this guy. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna check this guy. Get him. He is a hard guy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yay, victory for me. Back to overview. Back to city. Hello. Stop making that stuff. And we will train. How you bad? No. out of here, buddy. Everybody else full health? Yes, ma'am. Alright. Okie dokie. What is this? You better spend diamonds. Why? I don't want to. What's it say? Pay 5 diamonds to collect all finished production usage. No, that's stupid. Who would do that? Who would do that? Wait, hold on. It didn't work. What the fuck is this? I just spent 30 diamonds for absolutely nothing. This is dumb. Ooh, hello there. What's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? Alright, what are we gonna do? That's what we're gonna do. We will fight until we run out of men. So we got good horseman, good spearman, and slingshot dude. These are all good spearmen, and then slingshot dude. Let's go. Okay. I will lose today, lose today, lose today. I will lose today, lose today, lose today. Yes, I will today, will today, will today. I will lose today, lose today, lose today. Bada bada boom bow. Watch this. This guy's gonna throw a rock at me. Watch this. I don't like when people throw rocks at me. Watch out for this man. No. Get this guy. I will die gladly. Well, I won't die gladly, but I will die a proud man. Oh my gosh. Taking my weak links. This guy. Oh, this guy. Get him. Oh. Retreat! Here, go. Get him. Okay, let's go. Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Back to Overview, back to City, yeah, back to Overview, back to City, yeah. You know what? You know what? Let me see. Dude, this guy's the last dude. He's my last dude. What am I gonna do? Yeah. Else. I don't have enough to train any of these guys. Is that how long it's gonna take him to heal? Okay, cool. We'll let that dude heal. So I just. Oh, hello. We need more hunters. Oh, I can't put it anyway. We have to sell.